Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to quickly transform a topic into a well-structured and visually appealing presentation. This is super handy if you have a new topic and don't know where to start, or if you're running out of time and need to finish your work quickly. Let's visit slidespilot.com and simply log in using my Google account. So now we're in this chat-like interface, and this is where we get to interact with the AI. Here we can enter the topic for our presentation. For instance, my boss wants me to give a presentation on using ChatGPT for education. All right, so the AI is going to come up with a presentation outline on this topic. We can either tweak it here or come up with our own. Just a heads up, each line here represents a slide, so let's keep it short and sweet with bullet points instead of long paragraphs for the outline. Once we have a decent outline, we can move on to picking the theme for the presentation. There's a bunch of ready-to-use themes we can choose from, and they're constantly getting updated. Since my presentation is about AI, I'm going with this one because it has a futuristic vibe. Alright, as we move forward, just give AI a minute or two for the generation. Here's the result. A presentation generated based on our topic and outline, nicely organized with the theme we picked. We can easily present it right in the browser. But more importantly, how can we make changes to it? Slides Pilot works perfectly with PowerPoint and Google Slides, so we can download a copy here and edit it with Office. Personally, I'll use Google Slides to make edits to the document. As you can see, all the text here can be easily edited. You can use your favorite tool to further do your work. Alright, that's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe for more awesome AI and presentation tips and tutorials.